We haven't done an unboxing in a while, and I thought we'd do one now as I act like I'm opening it, even though I already did, just to make sure I could get it open. From Guam, and the Minos, I believe is how you pronounce that, M-E-N-O. And let's see what we got. We have a hat, and it's in tongues. Hafa Adai. So I'm thinking that's probably Merry Christmas or something like that.
How do you spell it?
It's Hafa Adai Guam. No, it's not a Christmas thing. It's a name brand.
H-A-F-A.
So I'm totally ignorant about what that means, but I like hats, as you can see. Let's see. I got a big head, so I have to fix it.
It means hello or what's up.
What's up? What's up, Guam? I got to put it on the very last one because my head's so big. Let me see if you can see my hat there.
It says it's pronounced half a day.
Half a day. Half a day. I just learned how to speak. Is that Guamish?
It's in Chamorro.
Chamorro.
C-H-A.
Chamorro. Chamorro. Well, we got to know these things because people are going to see it and they're going to say, what is this? And that's something to give to somebody. We'll look at that in a minute. Ooh. May your days be merry and bright. It is a tin. Can you see that?
It's nice.
Get up again. Give you the close up there. Isn't that nice? Nice tin. We keep our tins and fill them up again and again. And I like it when my mom fills tins with fudge. This year she put it in a Tupperware, I think, or something. Ah, there we go. That was the tin, not me. Makes that noise. Nice. Warm greetings from Guam. It says, Dear Pastor Greg, Jenny, and brethren at BBF Ohio. Warm greetings from Guam. These are some homemade cookie treats called Guyuria. Guyuria. G-U-Y-U-R-I-A. That we hope you'll enjoy. Great with coffee or tea, which I drink both. Thank you for helping us along these past few years to love our beloved book and be sound and established in the faith. You all are constantly in our hearts and prayers. With love, Ed and Irene. Thank you very much. Yeah, packed. It's a big bag of, what are they called?
Spell it again.
Guyuria, G-U-Y.
G-U-Y.
U-R-I-A.
U-R-I-A.
Mm. That'll be good with coffee and tea. Does remind me of something. They're good. I just can't think what they remind me.
Jawbreaker cookies. Hold on, hold one up.
They're not that hard. They look like little shells.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Chamorro jawbreaker cookies.
I don't know why they call them jawbreakers.
They're traditional Chamorro cookies. They're known as jawbreaker cookies due to their historically rock-hard texture.
Oh, well. Uh-oh. This is to Jenny, and this is to Greg. And I'll open mine first, but then you're going to have to sit down here and open yours. A t-shirt to match the hat.
Pinned on the couch for the dog here.
Guam. Well, what else does it say? It says, where America's day begins, because it's American territory, and the sun rises on Guam before it does the rest of America. Isn't that cool? Here, have a seat.
I don't...
Have a seat. You're an obedient, submissive wife, and Sam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and open that. We'll move it in just a little bit.
The dog's scratching me here. She's attacking me. Cammy wants to know too. That's really nice. Thank you. Thank you. We can dress casual when we go to work. I could actually.
Yeah.
This is not politically incorrect, so I could wear it to work.
Yeah.
I can't wear many of my t-shirts to work, but I'll be able to wear this one. Thank you very much.
And Cammy just got a bath, so she's real happy with us. Thank you very much, Ed, Irene. God bless you. Happy New Year. Let me get back on camera. Happy New Year. And from Greg and Jenny, and the whole BBF crew. Thank you. God bless you.
My puppy.
So, there's something else in Jenny's bag.
And I didn't know it.
So, now what do you got?
I got a crazy dog.
Let me grab the crazy mutt.
Oh, they're little earrings.
Ooh.
They're really nice. It says the Guam seal. The seal of Guam, the Guam seal.
Like,
No, the state, the territory seal or whatever.
oh, okay.
Let me open it. That's really nice. The shirt's really nice too. Thank you. Oh my, what's this? There's other things in here. Oh, it's a little thing to put them in. Isn't that cute?
So you might not lose them.
Micronesian Jewelers. Thank you so much. That is really cool. I will. When I go into the office, I'll wear this to work, and I'll be the talk of the office. This is really cute. I don't know if somebody made. Well, obviously somebody made it, but it's really cute, and I'm going to show them.
Yeah. Ooh.
Isn't that neat? And look at this cute little
Earring pouch.
It's so cool.
An earring purse.
Yeah, it's adorable. I love it. There, see?
And there you have it. Oh, wait a minute. Hat.
Cookies.
Well, I'm talking about the clothes and the earring. They don't have to wear the cookies. But thank you very much. We're going to wear these at the same time.
We'll wear them to church too.
Yeah. And
yeah.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. Have a good day. Thanks.
And Happy New Year!